Hello everyone, in this video we will learn how to make weekly recurring tasks in Outlook. So let's start. Open your Outlook application and go to the left hand side and click on the more apps option. And here click on the first option, the tasks. And you can see the list of tasks. To create new tasks, simply go to the home tab. In new group, click on the new tasks option and here enter your task details. So add here the subject team meeting. Okay. Then I add here the start date. Just click on this calendar icon and select here your start date. So I select here the 21, then select the due date. I select here the 22. And the status you can select here. Just I click on this drop down arrow and select here not started yet. Okay, the priority you can set here. I just high priority select here. You can select here the complete percentage. Just click on the up arrow and down arrow. So I select here the 0% because it's not started yet. Okay. After that, you can set here the reminder also. Just click on again the here calendar icon and set your reminder date. So I select here the reminder date. Then reminder time you can select here. I just click on this arrow and select your reminder timing. I select this 10. If you want to stop this reminder, I just click on this box. Okay, just click on this box. You can see this time and date is invisible. Okay, if you want to set again the reminder, just click on this box. You can see here the reminder here showing. Okay, after that, just add the team meeting details. So I just open my notepad and here I already added task details. So here you can see I added here the details or notes. Okay. So now I am going to make these tasks weekly recurring. So let's see how it's done. Simply go to the tasks tab. In recurrence group, click on the recurrence option. And here you can see the one dialog box is open, tasks recurrence. In the recurrence pattern, you just select here the patterns. You can see daily, weekly, monthly. When you click on the daily, you can see the all details showing related to daily. When you click on the weekly, you can see the weekly details you can set here. Same as monthly, you can set here monthly details. So here I'm going to set here the weekly recurrence. Okay, so I just select here the weekly. Then here the two option recur every 1 weeks on, and you can set here the one day of this week. And second option, the regenerate the new tasks 1 weeks after each task has been completed. Okay, it's automatically regenerated. So I select this first option and here recur every 1 weeks I set, and I select here the Monday. Okay, and after that I select here range of recurrence. If you select this option, second option, then first option is showing invisible. Okay, so I select the first one, and after that the range of recurrence, select the start date. Start date here automatically selected as per your meeting start date. Okay, you can select the end by just click on here, and here you can select the date and you can set the end by the date. Okay, if you want to end after the 10 occurrence, you can select 10, 11, 12. You can just edit here and enter the occurrence. If you want to set the no end date, you can set this option, the above both option in invisible showing, and you can set just no end date. Okay, after that, just click on OK, and that's it. You can see the one message here pop up. Start every Sunday effective from 21 September 2025. So this is a way you can easily make the weekly recurring tasks in Outlook. Hope you understood. If you like this video, please subscribe. Thank you so much.